Alright. We're going to be finding angles in quadrilateral, more examples on the board. We have it that A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Please don't write this in. It's a trapezium with AB parallel to DC and AD is equal to AB. Then if angle BAD is equal to 104 degrees, calculate the size of angle BCD. Meaning it's two, we are going to be looking at two triangles in one. That is a trapezium. Don't forget we said the sum of angles in a trapezium is equal to what? 360. Why? Because a quadrilateral means what? Four-sided shapes. So don't forget we said it in our last class that when that quadrilateral is divided into two, it gives us two triangles. And the sum of angles in one triangle is what? 180. The sum of angles in the other triangle is what? 180. So together the sum of triangle in a quadrilateral is what? 360 degrees. Good. Now, this is an example again. Let me go over it. I say A, B, C, D, meaning we have four sides. A, B, C. You have to picture it on your head before you can be able to draw the diagram. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay. You have a question like this. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. First of all, you know trapezium is a four-sided shape. Okay, how is the trapezium like? They say AB is parallel to DC. Now you cannot draw. You can say, okay, AB can be here. You can call it A. You are picturing it in your head, right? A, when we say something is parallel, one is here, another is here, because they don't meet. Are you seeing it? You are thinking about it. AB is parallel to what? DC. So let's also call it DC. You're also picturing it in your mind. Okay, let's move on. And we have AD is equal to BAB. Okay, AD equals to AB. That means whatever AD should also be. So this, both of them has to be equal like this. I see it. So this is now giving us an isosceles what? Trapezium. Because it's no longer a triangle. So if are you getting what I'm saying? Alright. So this is AD is parallel to AB. So these two must be the same. So you cannot close the other parts. I see it now. So don't forget that two triangles must be made. So you do what? Share it. So you complete the trapezium. Are you seeing it? These two must be the same. Okay, now since you were told that AB is parallel to DC, is that what they say? AB. This is the sign of parallel to DC. I see it. This is the sign of being parallel. Okay? So what else? AD is equal to AB. AD equals to. That is what really matters. Are you seeing it now? Having gotten this, the up can be whatever shape. Are you seeing it? You can decide to, elongate, however it is, but just ensure whatever you are giving, you are following. Now let's move on. So now they said if, are you looking at me? If triangle BAD, don't forget, I said when there is angle here, the angle goes to the middle. Is that not so? It goes to the middle. So we have it there that BAD. So let's look at BAD. BAD. A is where the angle is, and it's what? 104 degrees. Are you seeing it? Now, we have to calculate the size of triangle BDC. Okay, as it is now, okay, BDC. BDC. Okay, we are asked to look for here. How do we know this is what we are to look for? Look at it again. BDC. D is what? Middle. So that is what we are asked to look for here. Don't forget, in a trapezium we have two triangles. So let's assume this base is covered. This is one triangle. If this is one triangle, this is the base of the two sides. Is that also? This is the base. And in an isosceles quadrilateral, if here is A, what do you think here will also be? A. Is that not so? Are you following me? Okay, now let us first of all work on this triangle. We want to know what B is, this part of it. Alright. So we can call here X. Before we get to it, let's look here first. A plus 104 degree equals to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 1. Do you agree with me? Yes. Why? I'm first of all working on this. Because if I can get A, then I can get X. Is that not so? Okay. So let's move on. A plus A is what? 2A plus 104 degree equals to 180 degree. So we can say 2A is equals to 180 minus 104. 2A is equals to what? Punch the calculator for me quickly and give me the answer. Be accurate. 180 minus 104, 76 what? Degree. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of A, which is what? 2. So we now have that A is equal to what? 2 cancels 2 here. Is that? 38 degrees. Are you clear? So having gotten A as 38 degrees, hence here will also be what? 38 degrees. So who can tell me how can we now get what X is? No. Let's also go back to our rule. Don't forget that in our rules we have vertically opposite angles, we have alternate angles. So we're talking about rules on angles on a straight line, corresponding angles, transversal, and the rest of them. Now look at it very well. What is the relationship here? X is here, A is here, X is here, A is here. Is there a relationship? God bless you. X is an alternate angle to A. Therefore, X is equal to A, which is equal to what? 38 degrees. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. Therefore, this will be 38 degrees. Is it easy? Is it hard? Is it complicated? It's nice, right? It's beautiful. I say no. You don't understand the way I broke it down. Should I go over it again? Is it clear? From the diagram, like I said, you must ensure your diagram is correct. Diagram is a picture of what is written here. We followed it from. We said ABC is a trapezium. Okay, a trapezium. Does this look like a trapezium first of all? Eh? Yes. It looks like a trapezium. Okay, it says so. And they said this trapezium, so in describing the trapezium, this trapezium has it that AB is parallel to DC. AB is coming from there. DC is coming from the other side. So having gotten that both of them are parallel, that's what we indicate here. Parallel. Are you seeing it now? So you label it A, B, D, C. You move again. What else? And AD is equal to AB. Where is AD? AD equal to AB. So you make sure that they are equal, that their bases are the same. I'll give you something like, I won't draw the diagram for you. You can be able to establish the diagram yourself. Can you do that? Okay. So having gotten that, from this trapezium or quadrilateral, you will see that this is an isosceles kind of trapezium. Why? Two sides are equal. Therefore, they have equal angles here. Eh? Okay. So we're asked to get x. And there is no way we will know what x is if we don't know what this other angle is. Abi? Yes? I haven't got it here as 104 from the question, and they also told us from the question that here is equal. Therefore, if this is A, this also be A. Whatever this angle is always the angle. I haven't gotten that. You now know that we are hot angles. Is it clear? Take it down. Are they not the same? Huh? Huh? Big D and A.
This one is B, D. This one is A, A.
So think about that. So just go with this. So long as you understand what I'm talking about. This one was labeled B. This one is labeled D. In all, you can still say B. Look at it. Is B not equal to D? Eh? B is definitely equal to D because they are equal. So whatever shape you want to draw, just you can draw this. Any other question, please?